how to check who has subscribed to your channel, or why I'm not able to see the subscriber name also in the subscriptions. So let's check that. Log into your YouTube channel, click on the channel icon, go to your YouTube studio. Once you do that, you see the dashboard, scroll down, you see recent subscribers. Okay, just click on see all. Now when you see here, it is going to show the list of all the people who subscribed in last 90 days. You can select last 7 days, 28 days, right? So let me just select for last 7 days. So it is showing the list of people and the number of subscribers what they have also. So this channel has around 50 subscribers, 25 subscribers and kind of things, right? But the thing here is, it is showing one subscriber on 14 September, one on 13 subscriber, one on 18, 16, 2, right? But this is actually not the correct results. Why? Because there are still a lot more people who have subscribed to my channel. But why it is showing only very few, correct? So let's understand that. So this is how actually you can check the channel who has subscribed to it. Okay, but now let's see the actual results. Let's take for an example of 18 September, right? So let me just close this. If I go to analytics, on 18 there are 47 subscribers who are there on this channel, but it is showing only 2. Why? It's because of the settings what the subscribers would have made, right? So what is that particular settings, right? When we just click on the channel icon, okay, let me just quickly go to the channel. Let me tell you why the subscribers name is not actually reflecting, right? So I just click on the channel icon, go to settings. Once you go to settings, go to privacy. So here if you see in playlist and subscription, keep all my subscriptions private is selected. Now when this is selected, and if that particular channel subscribes to your channel, right, you're not going to see their channel name in the subscription list, but still you're going to have them as your subscribers. Why? Because they want to keep their subscription private. That means they don't want to reveal their channel name who has subscribed to your channel, right? Now if they deselect this, in that case the channel name is going to be shown in the list of subscribers, right? So that's how it exactly it works. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to learn completely about TubeBuddy, then just click on the link on the info card and you'll be able to watch the complete video on TubeBuddy, how it can help you to rank your videos better. And if you have any specific question which is related to YouTube, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. So see you in the next video. Till then, take good care. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any videos from this channel.